I am so excited to tell you about my new workshop that's coming up October 17th. And it's a workshop where we'll be making monotype prints without a printing press. And we're going to be throwing our imaginary printing press right out the window. It's a perfect workshop for beginners as well as the experienced artist. We'll be working in monochrome as well as multicolored. And here is, just to show you an example, here is a print that I have done using one of the techniques that we'll be learning. And you can see it's quite a sophisticated image. And we'll be using all sorts of implements that you find around the home. In this piece, I used lace, sewing lace, as well as leather snakeskin to make some of the effects. This is where the snakeskin was used and the lace was used in the curtains. And so it's something that we'll have great fun with. We'll be using bubble wrap and knives and rubber implements and scrapers and Q-tips and cloths and all sorts of things, but nothing too fancy and nothing too hard to find. So we will be having a great time, and we'll be spending 3 hours together on October 17th, as I said, from 10 in the morning Eastern time till 1. You can sign up for the workshop at my online school at creativity-revolution.teachable.com, and we'll have a wonderful time making lots and lots of fantastic prints. Hope to see you then. Bye.